Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to delete search history on Instagram. So let's get it started. At first, make sure you have the Instagram app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store and make sure you have logged into your account. So let's open it. So this is your homepage of Instagram. You can simply see search icon on the screen, so tap on it. Here you can see search option, you can click on it and you can see your search history here. You can also click on see all button and you can simply click clear all to clear all your search history, and if you want to delete only one search history, so you can click on cross button here and your search history of single ID is gone. So that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.